guys, welcome to Recipes Tested. My name is Brianna Robinson and today I'm going to be testing out a watermelon recipe. This is watermelon with lime and chili powder. So I came across this recipe because I wanted to use up the watermelon that we have. I was looking at a bunch of them on Pinterest and I was like, I bet people are going to be expecting like watermelon sorbet or like a smoothie of some sort. And I really wanted to try something unique and something different that could be a new, super simple, easy way to eat watermelon. This is from the website, let's see here, foodhero.org, and I will link it down in the bottom below. So if you guys are curious to see how this goes, just keep watching. It's gonna be a super simple recipe. So this is as easy as it sounds. I started measuring my watermelon, but then I thought, why would I measure watermelon? So then I just kind of threw about 2 cups into the bowl. And then I cut up my lime and then I juiced it, and the recipe called for a half of a lime, but my limes weren't juicy at all, so I ended up using 1 whole one. And then put in my chili powder and salt, and it's really as simple as that. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's done. Pretty much looks the same. It smells really good. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a shot and let you guys know if it's love at first bite. This is super bizarre. The flavor that it goes through first is I get the immediate chili followed by the salt, and then I get sweet watermelon and then sour lime. So this is very odd. It's not like bad. I just don't think that I would bring this for anybody else to eat. But I wonder if this is something that should be refrigerated for a while so the flavors can kind of mingle together rather than being separated. I have a feeling that this is going to be like that, but it's still kind of weird. I think that they were going for like a sweet and sour, sweet and spicy vibe. Totally not feeling that. Raylan, do you want to come try this and let me know what you think? Big bite. Eat it. Take a big bite. I want to see if you like it. Ready?
I like it. I kind of want some more now.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
The whole thing?
Sure.
Okay, it's like super good though.
Oh, okay, good. Okay. I think the thing about the chili powder for me is it automatically reminds me of taco seasoning. So I kind of feel like this is like a weird margarita, but without the alcohol. I don't know. It's just I'm not really a big fan, but I mean, my son really likes it, so that's a bonus. So that's it, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and let me know what else you want to see, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.